Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a video about the screen protector for the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. So I bought the Spigen cases earlier, the caseology cases for the iPhone 12 Pro, and now I found this as one of the recommended items on Amazon, and I thought let's give it a try because anyway we need a screen protector here, and this one actually has a high MRP, but the product is at 1200 rupees. Again, that's not less. Of course, it's more than 1000 rupees for a screen protector, which is again common for Apple, right? For Apple products, we see even accessories being high on price. So this one is 2899 MRP, but 1200 as the actual price, and quite a unique and interesting concept. Frankly, it might have been already there in the market for different phones, but for me, this was the first time that I saw this kind of a concept for a tempered glass or for a screen protector, where you see an actual plastic case that would come together and that would place itself on the phone for the placement of that screen protector. So this is an entire kit which has two units, so you can use one for now, and in case the unit breaks anytime in the future, you can change it. This is how this one is. It actually has the tempered glass on the inner side, and then on the outer side you have this pull off sticker again, and along with that you have a few things. First thing is this booklet that would talk about, obviously thanking you for choosing Spigen, and the entire guide of how to use this one and how to actually install this. You have to clean, and then you'll have to firstly pull on the inner side, then place this case on the phone, and then pull out the external sticker which I earlier showed you. Anyway, you'll be seeing the process here, and then you'll be easily understanding how to install it. And this has the kit of a few things, and first one is the squeezy. Basically this is to just actually press the tempered glass in case there are any air bubbles that are forming, and this is the dust removal sticker. There are two sets of everything here because two sets is for those two pack. Usually I would have chosen a single one, I couldn't find it, so this is just a dual one, and that's that plastic squeegee for actually removing any air bubbles. This is the cleaning wipe. So now let's start cleaning this. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. And now this is how it would go and sit over the smartphone. You can either place it on the smartphone when it's lying on the surface, or you can place your smartphone there and rotate and place it there. I've tried it this way. You can see that I've tried it this way and it still worked. I mean, I was actually surprised. If you see here right now on the left side, I can see a small air bubble on the left, but that would eventually, so this is the left side area where it has that air bubble, but that eventually gets disappeared. See, that's where I'm pressing. I thought it might be that area where you need to actually press it, but no, it didn't need that. So it says after 30 seconds you'll have to pull this out. So I did give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then I started pulling it out. So here when I pulled this out, you could you would, if you're pulling this out, you'll notice that the inner glass is now going to sit there, and as soon as I lifted this, you'll notice it now. As soon as I lifted this, there were no air bubbles. I mean, that was surprising. This is the second part of it that's done. Now the third one is final one, where you'll have to lift this external screen protector or the external layer, and this is the tempered glass that is placed here. So this is so perfectly set. There are no air bubbles, and that's the reason I'm surprised. With most of the smartphone screen protectors or the tempered glasses, we see air bubbles. You'll have to push them out, and that's common. Here there was nothing, and on my first attempt itself, I was easily able to actually set it up. And not just this, other thing that I had to show you here is that I have used the Spigen cases, the caseology cases. The one that we are using right now is a good one, a Spigen case itself. So I've used it, and it's a caseology one, which is again a sub brand of Spigen itself. And here there's enough gap, so there's no issue at all. There's enough gap here, and the tempered glass won't be overlapped by the case, and it won't get lifted off. So that's one thing here. And so that's it. This was all about one of the well recommended tempered glass solutions or screen protectors. Do let me know if you have used any other and would want me to test that out. I'll also do that and show you the installation process of the same. This was just to let you know that this is one of the options that I have tried and I would easily recommend. So the links for that are given in the description below, and that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.